Most people get this wrong and think an expired Amazon gift card means the money is gone forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, most expired errors are not real losses. They are usually confusion about validity rules, region limits, or delayed redemption systems. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Amazon gift card says expired and how to fix it step by step so you don't lose your balance. Let's start with the most important fact. Amazon gift cards in many regions do not actually expire once redeemed. If Alex already added the card to his Amazon account, the balance stays there until it is used. So if you are seeing an expiration message, it usually means the card was never redeemed correctly, or you are looking at the wrong account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users confuse expiry of the card code with expiry of the balance. The code itself may have a validity period before redemption. If Jake waited too long before using it, the retailer system may reject it, even if the card looks fine. But here's the problem most people miss. Region rules can make a valid gift card look expired. If you try to redeem a US Amazon gift card on an India account, the system may show it as invalid or expired, even though it is perfectly fine in its original region. So let's go step by step to fix it. First, check if the gift card has already been redeemed. Log into your Amazon account. Go to gift card balance and look for any added funds. Many people panic without realizing the balance is already there. Next, verify your account region. Go into settings and confirm you are using the same country where the gift card was purchased. This is one of the most common hidden causes. Now try a simple refresh fix. Log out of your Amazon account, clear app cache or browser data, and log back in. John thought his card expired, but after refreshing, the balance appeared instantly. Also check the original purchase source. If the card was bought from a third-party seller, it may have a limited activation window before first use. In that case, only the retailer can confirm its status. If nothing works, contact Amazon support with your code and proof of purchase. They can trace whether the card was valid, used, or blocked. So let's summarize clearly. Most expired gift card issues come from unredeemed codes, region mismatch, or misunderstanding of validity rules. Real expiration after redemption is very rare. Once you check these basics, most issues are resolved quickly without losing your money. If this helped, like the video, comment your issue, and subscribe for more simple fixes that actually work in 2026.